Hello everyone, welcome to the IAS Mentor Places in News series. The IAS Mentor has come up with proper mentorship schedule. Those who are interested to join mentorship program, who are preparing for 2026 preliminary examination, can approach the IAS Mentor. Let us see for this week what are the important places that are in news. First one, Longewala. It is a place located in Rajasthan region in Thar Desert, close to Pakistan border. This is in news because in 1971, when Bangladesh Liberation War was going on, India-Pakistan war happened. In that war, this particular post was safeguarded by Indian soldiers bravely and made a huge impact on the war itself. Many Pakistani soldiers were killed in this place, Longewala. This is why here we drew a line in blood across the desert, a line the enemy dare not cross. Where it is located? In Jaisalmer district, in Thar Desert, close to Pakistan border. That is what Longewala. And this place has become very important to inspire the generations related to war between India and Pakistan. Next, Kuno National Park. Kuno National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh. It is in Madhya Pradesh. Recently, International Cheetah Day was celebrated. December 4th is considered as the International Cheetah Day. With respect to India, in Kuno National Park, from Africa, South Africa and Namibia, some cheetah were introduced, relocated to this place. Today, this place is successfully able to preserve cheetah and cheetah is able to survive in this location. Today, India is having more than 32 cheetah are there and more than 20 are born in India. So today, India is having cheetah also. Kuno National Park, where it is located? In Madhya Pradesh. It is in news because International Cheetah Day was celebrated. And this area is above Tropic of Cancer. Identify this one. When it comes to this area, this region, I will show you the map. Then you will understand in a better position. This is the location. This is above Tropic of Cancer. Dry deciduous forest region, tropical region, and this is Tropic of Cancer, tropical region. This is the area, Kuno National Park. It is close to Gwalior region, known for cheetah reintroduction. From which place? This one. From Namibia and South Africa. From Namibia and South Africa. And this is also close to Tropic of Capricorn. Here this is southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn, and there Tropic of Cancer. Almost in the same location it was reintroduced. That's why it is able to survive. That is what the news is all about. Next one. This is how it looks. Kuno River view, Kuno National Park. Next one, Aravalihills. With respect to Aravalihills, this is the location. Identify this. The specialty of Aravalihills is this region is one of the oldest surviving mountain range in the world itself. Not only in India, in the world itself, one of the oldest mountain range. Long ago, they were much older than Himalayas. Himalayas are considered as young fold mountains. They are relatively new with respect to geological past. As a result, Aravallis, most of the Aravallis eroded. Whatever we are seeing today, they are residual mountains of old fold mountains. Aravalli mountain range. Now, what is the news means? This area is under threat due to illegal mining. Lot of illegal minings, deforestation, desertification are increasing the desert in this area. Now, if this is the situation, what about the people who are depending on these Aravalli hills? That is why there is always an issue with respect to development versus environment. But there is no proper definition of Aravalihills. That is why it is in news. Supreme Court asked government to come up with proper definition. Then government told if any area above 100 meters elevation level from the local level, it is considered as Aravalli Hills. That means it should be 100 meters above. What is this? 100 meters elevation above the local relief. This is what government definition. But when it comes to environmentalist, conservationist, they say that what about those areas which are below 100 meters? They were also part of Aravalli Hills. This is why it is in news, Aravalli Hills. This is the location. From the geographical point of view, you see this. Aravalli Hills are located here. Vindhyas, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. This is Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, and Himalayas. This is the physical geography of India, physical features of India. Mountain range, Aravalli, Vindhyas, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Himalayas. These are very, very important mountain ranges from India. Next one. Hayligubbi volcano. It is in news recently. It started erupting. Almost this volcano is considered extinct. Almost for more than 12,000 years, no eruption has taken place. Almost it is considered as extinct. But recently it started erupting. That is why what we can learn from the geological history means nothing we can consider extinct with respect to volcanic eruptions. Anytime it can become active. This is recently Hayligubbi. It started releasing ashes and smoke, and it started traveling. It affected even the travel journey, airplane path also. That is what it is in news. Where it is located? It is located in Ethiopia. From the geography point of view and exam point of view, this volcano is located in Ethiopia, in Afar region. This is what Afar. There is a tribe called Afar tribe. This is also known as Afar Triangle. It is located near, you see this, Red Sea, Gulf of Eden, African plate, Numidian plate, and Arabian plate. This side Arabian plate, this side Nubian plate. Ethiopia, this is the location. Somali, then East African Rift. This is an indication that Africa is splitting into two parts. African Rift is going on, and at some point of time in future, Africa may divide into two segments. In the mid, there will be a ocean. That is what these indications, these geological events are indicating. This is the evidence. Identify from the geography point of view. Nubian plate in this side, Afar triangle this one, Arabian plate this side, African Rift Valley this side, Somali plate. Due to movement of the plates, the disturbances in the plates lead to this volcanic eruptions. What is the recent volcano which is in news? Hayligubbi volcano. Where it is located? Ethiopia. Now you connect with various other developments in Africa. Already we have seen since many weeks we are continuously seeing different places. From Africa we got different places. Next one, Arctic sea routes. Recently Putin, now currently he is in news, he visited India. India and Russia are exploring the routes in this region. It is going to reduce. Already 3 routes are there. One is northwestern passage. This is called, this is Arctic region, completely covered with ice. Passage is very difficult because of the thick ice. It's very difficult for the vehicles to pass through. But despite that, due to changes in technology, due to vehicles which are clearing the ice, nuclear powered vehicles are clearing the path from Russian side and from Canadian side. That is why now the new routes are about to emerge. In Arctic region, three routes are there, possibilities there. One route, this is Russian side. Identify this. This is Russian side and this is Canadian side. This is USA, Canadian side. And this is in the middle. This middle is known as transpolar sea route. This is known as northern sea route. This is northwestern passage. Now this is under Russia. Instead of traveling all the way like this, currently India and Europe are connected with this route through Suez Canal. It is a long distance route. But if this route becomes active, northern sea route, then it will reduce the passage. It will reduce the number of hours. It will reduce number of days, in fact. That is why when Putin is visiting India, India and Russia are exploring how to use northern sea route. Identify Arctic sea routes. They are called Arctic sea routes. There are three sea routes. One is northwest passage in the Canadian side. Another one northern sea route, Russian side. Transpolar sea route, it is in the mid of Arctic pole, North Pole. But it is most difficult path because this is thick cover, ice covered very thickly. It takes some time. At least it may take another few decades to get the passage. But these two are now gradually becoming operational. So in future, they are going to become operational. Now onwards, the countries are trying to explore the options how to use these routes. And this area is also full of rich of minerals. Now in future, competition is going to take place among the countries who is going to use these resources. Even China also trying to say that I am also part of Arctic region. So that's why China also trying to take share in this region. This is what Arctic sea route. Now you see this. This is one sea route, northwest passage like this. So these are the 5 important issues that are there for this week. Remember, 3 from India, 1 from Africa, and 1 related to Arctic region. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.